Guys, today I want to show you how to create a quiz with EdCafe AI. So first click into edcafe.ai with your Google account. After that, we'll be redirected to this homepage. You have the ability to choose to create slide deck chat about quiz or teaching resources. We're going to go ahead with quiz. Click on make an interactive quiz for many sources. Click on this to create it. So here you have the create quiz page. Choose your topic of your quiz, for example, science, research. You can here choose the question type. It is a multiple choice or short answer or mixed. You can choose the number of questions, 5, 10 or 15, 20 or 30. You can add the additional instructions like follow the questions and provide one answer. For example, we can choose the output language of the quiz, English or any other language. Here you can add a text, you can add a web page, you can upload files, doc files or word files or etc. After you're done with this, just click on generate quiz and your quiz should be created with EdCafe and you are able to share your quiz link. That's it, guys. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe, leave a comment.